Before you place an order on Buygos shop, you might want to pause for a moment because many online stores look attractive at first but don't always turn out the way shoppers expect. And that's exactly why today we're taking a closer look at Buygos shop to see whether it appears to be a legitimate online store or a website that buyers should approach with caution. At first glance, the site presents itself like a typical e-commerce store with eye-catching product images and prices that seem very tempting, which can immediately grab the attention of bargain hunters. But when evaluating any online shop, it's important to focus on trust signals rather than just the deals being advertised. Looking at the overall structure of the website, it follows a fairly common layout used by many smaller online stores, offering multiple product listings and promotional discounts. Yet the pricing on some items appears significantly lower than what you would normally expect from well-known retailers, which can sometimes be a warning sign because extremely low prices are often used to attract quick purchases. Another factor worth considering is the level of transparency provided on the website, including contact details, company background, and customer support information. While there is some information available, shoppers generally prefer to see very clear business details and strong communication options before feeling fully comfortable placing an order. Shipping times, return policies, and refund terms are also important parts of any online purchase decision. And although policies may be listed, it's always wise to read them carefully to understand how disputes or returns would actually be handled. When checking customer feedback and discussions across the internet, opinions about newer or lesser-known stores can be mixed, with some buyers remaining cautious due to limited history or unclear reputation, which is why doing your own research is essential. Taking everything into account, Buygos shop shows a mix of typical e-commerce features, along with a few factors that cautious shoppers may want to evaluate carefully before purchasing. So the safest approach is to review all available information, verify trust signals, and make an informed decision before entering your payment details.